Well, Singhu border has many untold stories of, sacrifices of how the farmers from all walks of life, from every state, are in fact keeping this entire agitation alive. And a very important role has been of the women farmers, those who have been backbone of not only this entire protest, but also the agriculture in the country. On 18th of this month, the farmers are going to, in fact, celebrate the role of the women farmers. This is part of the protest calendar. My colleague Maushmi spoke to few of the farmers.
ਇਹ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਦਣ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਲੈਣੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਭਗਤ ਦੀਦੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਖਾਲਸਤਾਨੀ ਤੇ ਅੱਤਵਾਦੀ ਦੀਦੇ ਆ। ਇਹ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਨੱਕ ਡੋਬ ਕੇ ਛੱਪੜ 'ਚ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਾਡਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸੁਨੇਹਾ, ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਲੋਹੜੀ, साड़ियां दिवालियां, साढ़े महीने मस्या सारे काले ने।
हमारे को पता है कि अब की बार हमने जैसे गेहूं बेचा है 1500-1600 रुपए पहले घर में डाला, घर से उल्टा वापस डाल कर मंडी में ले गए, मंडी में 1400 रुपए 1600 रुपए हमारे को कीमत मिली। मोदी ने हमारे को ये तोहफा दिया, अब कह नहीं दोगुनी और होगी, अपनी धरती को नीलाम और करवा लो।
Well, Singhu border has been the main epicenter as far as the protest against the government's laws are concerned. It has now, become almost like a mini town. Farmers have now organized a full multi-speciality clinic, a hospital. Also, a library has come up at the Singhu borders because remember, ladies and gentlemen, they have been sitting on the road for the last 51 days, right at the borders of the national capital. Asutosh Mishra files this story.
Tents, kitchen, laundry services. Now a makeshift multi-speciality hospital is the new addition at the Singhu border, the epicenter of protests against the 3 new farm laws. With 8 beds, modern equipment and emergency facilities, this medical center will attend to the needs of farmers who have been braving the cold out in the open for nearly 2 months.
Right now I'm inside Kisan Mazdoor Ekta Hospital, and how this makeshift hospital located at Delhi Singhu border looks like. Well, this 8-bed hospital is not less than any super specialty hospital. But there you can see oxygen cylinders with these monitoring machines. And as we know, the doctors has already said there are multiple patients of BP, sugar and other. Here are the ECG machines, the BP machines. These high-tech machines are here. From physiotherapists to paramedic staff and senior doctors, all are available here for these farmers, including the stock of medicines for life-saving drugs to anything that the food farmers would need in this temperature, at chilling temperature in the national capital, as the farmers have been fighting here for more than the senior doctors who are diagnosing the patients from women to senior citizens and young men. Well, these camps have been set up by farmers and several other NGOs to help them out.
Most of the patients who come to this hospital are ill due to the extreme weather conditions.
कितने बेड अस्पताल हैं यहाँ पे और क्या क्या सुविधाएं मिल रही हैं?
यहाँ पे 8 बेड है हॉस्पिटल में, और मेडिसिन का भी है, लैब का भी है, ब्लड टेस्ट होते हैं, CBC, LFT, KFT, लीवर, किडनी और
ब्लड टेस्ट वगैरह सब कुछ होता है?
जी सर।
The service is completely free of cost.
कितने दिन से आप सेवा कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
मेरे को 7 दिन हो गए।
अच्छा, तो इस अस्पताल में क्या क्या सुविधाएं मिल रही हैं किसानों को या बाकी लोगों को?
सभी हर तरह की इमरजेंसी हम एंटरटेन करते हैं, जितने भी इमरजेंसीज हैं फर्स्ट एड हम पूरा देते हैं।
पैसा भी देना पड़ता है किसानों को इसके लिए?
नहीं, फ्री।
Supporters of the protests have also opened a library with over 1900 books.
यहाँ का नौजवान है वो नशेड़ी है, यहाँ का नौजवान है उसको पढ़ना नहीं आता, तो उसी के संदर्भ में हम ये संदेश देना चाहते थे कि जो पंजाब है वहाँ अब यहाँ पे नौजवान आए हैं, वो कहाँ से आए हैं, वो क्या नशेड़ी हैं? तो हम ये संदेश देना चाहते थे कि पंजाब है जो वो उड़ता पंजाब नहीं है, पढ़ता पंजाब है। क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो 1900 से प्लस किताबें हमारी अभी ट्रॉलीज में पढ़ने के लिए लेके जा चुके हैं। जो नौजवान है ज्यादातर उसमें नौजवान ही है।
तो यहाँ पर मतलब एक तो एजुटेशन है, ऊपर से फिर ये जो लाइब्रेरी बनाई, ये थीम आपको कैसी लगती है, क्या कहेंगे इसके बारे में?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जो उन्होंने एक अपना आपका जो टाइम स्पेंड करना है उसके अंदर ये पढ़ेंगे तो हमारे इतिहास के बारे में और अच्छा लगेगा उनको। जैसे इस टाइम जो है वो सब कास्ट के यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि उनको एक हमारे इतिहास के बारे में पता लगेगा कि हमने जो भी शहादतें दी हैं वो हमेशा एक देश के लिए दी हैं, ना कि अपनी पर्टिकुलर कोई अपने पर्सनल के लिए दी हैं।
Food, water and shelter is essential for survival of any human being. But when it comes to agitation like farmers, and that too for more than 1.5 months at Delhi's several borders, including Singhu, this goes beyond the basics. Well, they are armed with their intellectuality, with clear agenda, and this fight is not without the awareness. And that's why this Jangi Library playing a critical, crucial, significant role at Delhi's Singhu border for creating awareness among its people. At Singhu border with Nasir Disaster Mishra, reporting for India Today.
Now, a lot of, stories, a lot of falsehood is being spread across around this entire farmers' protest. One such image of thousands of people, in fact, tractors, vehicles marching, which is being said that farmers are marching towards Delhi to participate in the rally on 26 January. We did a fact check on this because this image has been used to try and create an atmosphere that there are a lot of farmers who are coming in and they are going to break the barricades and create a law and order situation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a false image which is going viral on social media. In fact, this viral image was taken in Germany in November 2019. So this is the India Today fact check where we are in fact trying to keep the facts as they are and take them completely the entire fact check on the kind of falsehood that is being perpetrated on the social media. With that, I'm slipping into a very short break. On the other side, we'll shift focus to the massive cold wave. Next 3 days are going to be absolutely bone-chilling is the prediction of the IMD. We'll get you more details after a short break. Stay tuned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.